Today, the 26th of September 2020, the Border Security Force of Meghalaya organized Fit India Movement Run on the occasion of 1-year anniversary of Fit India Movement. Fit India Movement Run is scheduled from 15 August to 2nd October 2020 by the Government of India with a motto, Running, the human body's most raw form of freedom, to encourage fitness and help all to get freedom from obesity, laziness, stress, anxiety, diseases, and others. The run was flagged off from Umpling campus and covered 5 kilometers. 200 BSF personnel and their families enthusiastically participated in the run. This occasion, apart from fitness, provides an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and spirit of our nation to withstand on a single motive of inculcating unity and fraternity. Shri UK Nayal, DIG Pro, said that in these times of COVID-19, fitness has become an even more important aspect of life and accentuated on balanced intake of nutrition, mental wellness, and various other aspects of fitness. He also said that BSF Meghalaya organized this run to raise the awareness of fitness and commemorate the central government's inspiring Fit India movement, which is envisioned by the Prime Minister as a people's movement. The basic tenet on which the Fit India movement was envisaged is to imbibe fun, easy, and non-expensive ways of keeping fit and therefore bring about a behavioral change in every Indian's life.